Yeah, man, blessed morning. Grand people, look up on yourself and I know lion foot, you know. Give thanks to the rising. You see it Sunday morning, I'm there on the journey to football. You see it? Yeah, man. EA Sports for win the game. So, in this episode, I'm going to be live on the go, vlog on the go to football. You see me? So, I'm going to elaborate on Koffee and the scrutiny backlash. She's coming on now. So you are. When I hear my view, big up motor. I love and respect. Big up footer, I love and respect. Big up everybody, man, I love and respect. Yeah. We are forward. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yeah, man, Lion Foot TV.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, my people, big up on yourself. Welcome back, Lion Foot TV. And also we need more time, vlog on the go, work off of the energy and the frequency, you know, of the Almighty. You know, Father God is in with us. You see me? Yes. You see now we are, you know? We are the gods. There's a creator of us all, living things, human species. Get me? Yes, my viewers are subscribers, so I don't know if you're going to damn so. Yeah, so man goes to another, you know? Yeah, man, them there now, viewers and subscribers, kings and fame, pick up yourself. Welcome to London. You see me? So you come to that one. So let's quickly talk about Koffee coming and stay long. You see me? Because I don't know. Not gonna tell you too long, I'm not talking to you. You see me? But Koffee, big up yourself anyway. You know the little Empress. The Empress supposed to depress and stress right now. You know? Based on the scrutiny, backlash, judgment, everything, the pressure. And it's not easy. Yeah, she says she's under pressure. You know what I mean? And we are human. We all are humans. We all have feelings. But we are tough to try to be inside the heart, inside of the body, you know? If you're not strong enough, you can become ill, depression-wise. Remember, my man diagnosed with depression, you know? Over 10 years ago, I kept my wallet for long. 2018, I come out and talk. See? No artists come out and say them depressed based on the backlash and exposing we're going with them or do them profanities. Whether them are name the buff or them are suck the John. And them get exposed. See? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers. Another vlog you know. I just want to say, Koffee live her life, you know. I know, as a Muta Baruka said, in the year I know Koffee no come out. So she's this or she's that. But maybe she is. Maybe there's proof. You know, and factual, maybe she is. See, but until it's out her own mouth, like when Lila Ike come out and say, yeah, she has so. You see me? We still can't speculate. But what if I see her, she reveal her man now. Her man and say, you're a partner. You know what I say? Oh, she'll do it for hide face and them things and blah 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 blah. You may say basically, let the girl make the girl live her life, man. I don't see Koffee never say she's a Rasta. That Muta Baruka said, Koffee, no say she's a Rasta. And she now live the life of a Rasta. As a true Rastafarian. Like, you know, the sizzle of them, the Asian bubble them, you know, the bubble hill and them thing there. Me but Koffee just grew relaxed. A young girl come on the scene, get introduced by Cocoa. You know what I mean? Introduced by Cocoa on the scene and Chronixx. You see me? And she get her support, she get her breakthrough and start show her true talent. And just excel higher and higher. See? Now them say, because of her lifestyle and her, you know, sexuality, why she reached so far and she get deal and win Grammy. can be true, but at the end of the day, Koffee is talented. Koffee is talented and she sing good song. And you know, if she is that person, if she's gay or whatever, or bi or what, she not gonna have no problem working with those people and the likes of Sam Smith because she's comfortable working with those people because she is part of that group. See, she still come out and just speaking on a factual basis. See, she still doesn't come out of her mouth and say, yes, I am this, like me, like it. You know what I mean? And the others. Many football, when they watch some footballer from Australia, England, say them had enough of tearing out inside in them heart of keeping silent because them scared of backlash and them fumbling and all the accept them. And they came out and talked up on TV. Ah, my God! They come up on TV and talk. You see me? And they get humongous support from them family. Mother said them glad them come out, them is suspect it, but them never know, and you know? So you have to just be yourself. And until that day when Koffee come out and say she is, yeah, you see me, but people are speculating, and the more speculation, every day, Koffee on her name. She have a stress on the press. Now the man say Rasta. Koffee never say she a Rasta for her. See, Koffee never say she a Rasta. And she now live the life of a Rasta where you burn the fire and speak injustice. You know what I mean? Speak for the poor people, equality, truth and rights, slavery, you know what I mean? Freedom, we got burn the government in like the Rasta did back in the days. The Rasta did not burn the fire again. Why you think you tell them not to burn the fire again? Like that. It's not burn the fires, but they're not burn it like that because they came under pressure, they lose them visa. You see me? And they've been warned. Them they get certain show them in a normal dip and them get dropped off fight because, you know? You're living in a world now where you see people, gay people, whatever, trans, whatever, you know, they're getting more and more and they will come out more and more. And enough of us have family who are that. You see me? Who are in that field. You see me? But we just love the social media mix up, the hypocrisy and all of them things. Me live in Europe. This is Tijan. So someone who live in Europe. And I think that was a big styling and disrespect because not everybody live in Europe. Bob out or freak out or girls out or whatever. No. Yes, Europe is more free. Europe, America, people live more freely them life. Not like Jamaica where it's homophobic. You know, in Europe, you have people live them life freely, not care about nobody not watch nobody business. Just stay by your own and some me roll. You know, me work with them, I associate, me talk with them. You see me? I don't have a problem with them, and I like one time me that Jamaica and I rise, my knowledge, you know, the wide open, you know. I've traveled to many different countries, many sound like a lot. Several different countries, and I, you know, learn culture. And associate with people, and I get love and respect. You see me? When somebody come out and say they're gay, you know, some of them born that way. Born with that genes or that hormones. Me don't know, but Father God know why. You see me? Enough of them never turn off, just say, okay, never switch and turn. You see me? Enough of the girls them switch. Enough girls switch and say them go to home because they get hurt by men. You see me? A lot of time. Me hear women talk about out of them mouth. See me? But enough of the girls, enough of the men them born away there. You know? So I just love and respect, man. Big up everybody, man. That's what do this we say, you know. Let Koffee do her thing in peace, man. Koffee never say she a Rasta, she not live up to the Rasta tradition. You see me? So for them I say she bring down Rastafari. She have the access and them give her the deal or whatever, she sign the deal and get big and big and big. Just say, alright, let's say she is gay or bisexual or what. She got comfortable for work with those people. You see me? You know, she got comfortable for work with those people. And even if she was straight, and she want to work with them. She work with them because at the end of the day, that's her choice, her decision. You know? She not see Koffee going to bubble in a Rasta camp or Rasta house. Nobody a question Chronixx and Footer question them. Big myself Footer. Footer question Protege them long time and Koffee long time. You know Footer a street youth and Footer get him links them and him source them. You see me? Yeah. You see? So Protege them know a long time say Koffee. They know long time say Koffee is that. If she is that, I say if she is that, Protege them know. Chronixx them must know. Cockatee them must know. And others must know. And them just decide to them all let her through. But through the fire start blaze now and Footer pressure the situation. You see me constantly pressure them. See? Yeah. And me say them say Buju stop follow Koffee. You can answer. I think for that reason, I feel like a little bit of hypocrisy there. You see me? If Chronixx them, I turn them back on the girl now for true, they are hypocrites because they must know Koffee lifestyle. They've been around her for years, and then put her through the door, so they must know if she have a boyfriend or not, and how she flex. You see him? You see the brother the motor by root alive, him say no Koffee long, him say him don't know but him say her motor and him company mall, she had a man royal friend them. So obviously these other females were acting like who behave like men, tomboy, man royal. See? So I just say live in love man and let others live and you know, love Koffee man, Koffee are the right thing. Big up yourself Koffee. Stay a strong empress because I know your mother I feel well if you know that your family them for so much pressure come down on you. You see me? Koffee never say she, that's the main thing you know, Koffee never say she a Rasta. Some of the feel that she let them in a Rasta. And no fake Rasta out there say them a real Selassie and them a live nasty. You see me? No man say them a Rasta and them a live glorious and Koffee. And them a real king. You see me? Behind closed door. You see what I say? So, peace and love, man. Look up yourself, man. Let me know the thing. The way the man realize Selassie. Last time I'm here, you know. I used to have my locks and beat my turban. You see me? I'm there a studio 2010, 2012. You see? When I get interviewed and the journalist turned to me as a young artist and asked me, and give me a little piece of the joy. I asked me, you see Selassie I got? I said, no. It's a powerful, great man, you know. What would they say? My boss are forward. When the interview done, well, them say, why am I can't sell out? You see me? Boss are forward. Hold it! You see me? So we up on the bus with some morning, you know? I respect, you see it? Yeah! I get to me some more viewers and subscribers. Then I say, I said, look, I this last is a powerful man, yes. But I feel like he's God. You know, even God, you know, and he said it himself, he's not God, you know what I mean? Anyway, big up on himself. That's just my little views and I'm Koffee, you know? Love the girl, man, love the girl. Girl, I live her life, you know what I mean? What if I love enough? Just want a bad man, the girl, should be the winner and Grammy, she just rise up, you see me? Yeah. You see what? If she's that, she's that. She's not gonna kill herself because she's that. Maybe that's how she born with them feelings. You see? Anyway, big up on yourself, I love and respect. I don't want to talk much on that topic about the post card. I don't know. That's it. 4 shots. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.